Hello, and welcome to our channel, Anyone Marketing. This video is going to give you a clear and simple understanding of one of the most important subjects in business, marketing. Whether you are a student eager to learn, an aspiring marketer looking to build your skills, an entrepreneur hoping to grow your business, or simply someone curious about how brands attract and keep customers, this video is designed to give you a clear and simple understanding of marketing. We will explore what marketing really means, why it is so important for every business, the famous 4 Ps of marketing, and the different types of marketing you should know about. By the end, you will have a strong foundation to build on, no matter where you are in your marketing journey. So let's dive in and start uncovering the basics of marketing together. Marketing is often misunderstood as just advertising or selling, but it is much bigger than that. At its core, marketing is the process of understanding customer needs, creating value for them, and building strong relationships in return. It is about asking important questions like, what do people need? What problems do they face? How can we create something useful for them? And how do we communicate that value effectively? Marketing actually begins long before a product is even created. It starts with research, insights, and a deep understanding of people. Think of marketing as the bridge that connects businesses with customers through value. It is not just about pushing products. It is about finding out what matters to people and delivering solutions that improve their lives. When done right, marketing helps businesses create products and services that truly resonate with their audience, leading to lasting connections and mutual benefit. Marketing is not optional. It is absolutely essential for every brand, every business, and every product. Here is why. First, marketing creates awareness. If people do not know you exist, your product does not matter. Marketing puts brands on the map and ensures that potential customers know about what you offer. Second, marketing helps businesses understand their customers. Through research, surveys, data, and insights, marketing reveals what customers actually want, not just what companies think they want. Third, marketing drives growth and revenue. Good marketing attracts customers, converts their interest into sales, and builds loyalty over time. Fourth, marketing differentiates brands. In a world full of choices, marketing helps brands stand out. Why do people choose Apple over another phone brand or Starbucks over another coffee shop? Marketing shapes perception and helps customers see the unique value of a brand. In short, marketing is the engine that powers demand, reputation, and business growth. One of the most fundamental frameworks in marketing is the marketing mix, commonly known as the 4 Ps. Let's break them down in a simple way. The first P is product. This is what you are offering to your customer. It could be a physical product, a digital service, software, or even an experience. Key questions to ask here include, what problem does this product solve? What features make it valuable? How is it different from competitors? What is the quality, design, and packaging like? If the product does not deliver value, no amount of marketing can save it. The second P is price. Price is not just about how much something costs, it represents value in the customer's mind. Is it affordable? Is it premium? Is it priced higher because of quality, or lower to attract mass adoption? Companies use pricing strategies like competitive pricing, premium pricing, or discount pricing to position themselves correctly in the market. The third P is place. Place refers to where and how customers can access your product. Is it sold in physical stores, online, through apps, or via distributors or direct channels? Today, digital platforms and e-commerce have completely transformed place, allowing customers to buy from anywhere in the world. The goal is simple: be available where your customers are. The fourth P is promotion. Promotion is what most people think marketing is. It is how you communicate your product and persuade people to buy. This includes advertising, social media marketing, influencer campaigns, public relations and branding, content marketing, and email marketing. Promotion helps build awareness, generate interest, and convince customers that your product is worth choosing. Together, product, price, place, and promotion shape how a business presents itself to the market and how customers experience its offerings. Marketing has evolved significantly, especially with digital transformation. Here are a few key types of marketing that beginners should know. First, there is traditional marketing. This includes television ads, radio, newspapers and magazines, and billboards. Traditional marketing is still relevant and powerful, especially for brands that want to reach a mass audience. Next is digital marketing, which is where most modern marketing happens. Digital marketing includes social media marketing, search engine marketing, online ads, and website. Digital marketing allows brands to reach global audiences, track performance, and personalize communication. Another important type is content marketing. This focuses on creating useful, informative, or entertaining content to attract audiences. Think blogs, podcasts, videos, and educational posts. Content marketing builds trust instead of pushing hard sales. Influencer and social media marketing is another growing area. Brands collaborate with creators or leverage platforms like Instagram, LinkedIn, YouTube, and TikTok to influence audiences and shape opinions. Relationship marketing focuses on customer loyalty, retention, and long-term engagement instead of just one-time transactions. Marketing continues to grow with new trends like artificial intelligence-based marketing, personalization, and data-driven strategies. But the objective remains the same: understand customers, deliver value, and build relationships. To quickly recap, marketing is about understanding customers, creating value, and building meaningful connections. It is important because it drives awareness, growth, differentiation, and business success. The 4 Ps, product, price, place, and promotion, form the foundation of marketing strategy, and various types of marketing help brands reach customers in different ways. If you are just starting your marketing journey, this understanding is your base. From here, you can dive deeper into digital marketing, branding, consumer behavior, strategy, analytics, and much more. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.